Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making a delicious mutton curry, perfect for kids who love flavorful and nutritious meals. So as you know, mutton is a great source of protein, iron and other essential vitamins and minerals that are very important for a growing bodies. So let's get started. The ingredients are 300 grams of mutton. This is cooked mutton. And 2 large onion nicely chopped and 1 tomato nicely chopped and 3 garlic and 1 ginger nicely grated, teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala and 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon or half spoon, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or any oil of your choice, salt to taste, and some curry leaves. If you have, you can add it, otherwise that's okay. So let's get started. To the heated pan, you have to pour any oil of your choice, 2 tablespoons. And then add the grated ginger garlic to it. And then salute the ginger garlic nicely. And then to the ginger garlic add the chopped onions, 2 large chopped onions, and salute well until it turns brownish color. If you want to make it fast, you can make the flame high and you can stir it fast like this, so the onions will turn brownish very fastly. Now close it with a lid. So let's open the pan. Now you can see that onions are turned brownish. Now we will add 1 chopped tomatoes, now salute well until the tomatoes has become so soft and mushy. Close the lid for some time. Now we'll open the lid. Now you can see that the tomato has mixed well with the onion and the garlic paste. Now it's time to add the masalas. So for that, first we'll take some turmeric powder, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, because I have already added some turmeric powder to the boiling mutton, so I'm just adding a little bit. Now we'll take garam masala, we'll add 1 teaspoon of garam masala to it. Now the coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now finally the pepper powder. I'm adding very little bit, but you can add it as per your requirement, because my baby, she doesn't eat more spicy food, so I'm adding a little bit, very slightly. I'm adding some pepper powder. Now we will add some salt to taste. we'll also add some curry leaves to it. And dilute the masala well. Now you can put the flames little high and you can roast the masala very well with the onion and tomatoes. Dilute well for 2 minutes. Now we will close the lid for some time. Let the masala flavor gets into the onion and the tomatoes very well. So we are just closing the lid for some time. Let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes time. Now we'll open the lid. You can see that all the masalas and the tomato, onions, every mixture has mixed so well. Now it's time to add our boiled mutton to the mixture. You can see the 300 grams of boiled mutton. We'll add this to the masala. I have boiled it in the pressure cooker nearly for 15 to 20 minutes, this mutton, because sometimes the muttons will be hard meat, so babies will not eat the meat like that. So it's better you cook it nicely 15 to 20 minutes in pressure cooker. So just high the flame now. Now you can see that everything has mixed well. Now it's time to add some fresh coriander leaf. So I'm just taking coriander leaves from my plant. I just grow some coriander leaves in my balcony. So I'm just taking some coriander leaves. Now wash it and then garnish it. Garnish the mutton curry with the coriander leaves. Now close it with the lid for a minute in low flame. So now we pour our mutton curry to the serving bowl. So now you can serve this mutton curry for your kids, and they will definitely, if they are a picky eater, they would love to eat this. You can serve this mutton curry with rice, naan, paratha, or you can see this. Now you can see this. So now the mutton curry is ready. I would like to share some nutritional information. You may be a new mom, so this information may help you. Like, what is the significance of giving mutton to your kids or 2+ years old toddlers? Mutton is a great source of protein which is essential for building and repairing muscles and tissues in the body. It also contains iron, which is very important for healthy red blood cells and carrying oxygen throughout the body. Additionally, mutton also contains vitamin B12, which is very important for healthy nerves and brain functions. However, you also have to very importantly note that mutton is high in saturated fat and cholesterol. So it should be eaten in moderation as a part of balanced diet. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today for making this delicious mutton curry. I hope you and your kids enjoyed it and that you have learned a little bit about the nutritional benefits of mutton. So if you like my video, do like and subscribe my channel for more tasty and nutritious recipes. Thank you. Bye.